The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now this video that I'm doing is a update and a follow-up about a previous video that I posted. I posted a video about an incident that happened within the country of Jamaica, where it is said that a female had been shot and killed during a church service. Now, according to some things that I read in a few news articles about the incident, it is said that the female had been shot and killed in a church. And it is said that the incident happened on the 31st of January, the year 2021, within the parish that is known as Trelawney, that is within the country known as Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to the previous video that I did about the incident. Now in this video, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of audios that are circulating on social media. And in these audios, you're going to hear persons talking about the female who had been shot and killed and other things as well. All right. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm presenting these audios to you because these audios are being talked about on social media, and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. And I'm going to tell you from right now that some of the things that have been said in these audios might be disturbing to you, my viewers and subscribers. All right. Now, as I'm about to present these audios to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the things that have been said in these audios might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right. Now, here are the pieces of audios. Listen and observe.
The woman are going with a whole heap of things in that car, cause the woman rob up the whole of God with money, you know. We didn't pick them, you know. Run out to pick them out to the house and all, man, have evil, you know, brother. Woman wicked tip in them, you know. Woman make God would sell out the whole line house, man, put the whole line money in her name, you know. And run out the little 14-year-old son, I think he's 14-year-old son, you know. Wicked. God would have about 3-4 bus the woman run God the insurance claims everything, you know, youth. Because God would first wife the dead. So he run go married to this woman. This woman that claims everything left you them pan their face. And one house of Rosa the woman wanting to sell, you know. When him first wife the bill, you know. Brother, a whole heap of things that woman are going on with, you know, man.
I was on one Jota, man. One of my dispatcher them. I'm dead last year, late last year. Some bad man did a run down. Bad man a chase bad man and then crash in front of Iberia Star. Them running a van with a bus where I did a drive in front of Iberia Star and them dead. Them dead at the hospital. So man, that woman did married. But there's a problem now because some house problem and land problem because she had the wife, them say she not share it right. So a long time. Even when she went to the funeral, a bodyguard she'd go with.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, according to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that the police had taken 3 persons of interest into custody in connection with the shooting incident, and it is said that a motor vehicle had been seized. And according to some things that I read in the news article that I saw, it is said that the motor vehicle is believed to be the motor vehicle that was used to escape the scene of the incident. It's really sad to hear some of the things that happened within the country of Jamaica. You know, it's just really sad, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, it's just really sad, you know. Really sad. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about the audios that I presented to you. You can also let me know what you think about the incident where it is said that a female had been shot and killed during a church service within the country of Jamaica. And big up and respect, you know. Yeah, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Viewers and subscribers, walk good, take care of yourself, and big up and respect to each and every one. All right.